Bella? Bella, do you like your new running shoes? Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. You want to go skating? Come on. You want to go skating? Come on. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, go say hi to Uncle Limos. Go see Uncle Limos.
Just get used to it.
Yeah. Good thing we recorded it like in the beginning, because she's going to get super used to it and she'll be fine.
Go, go.
Come here, Bella. Come here. Come here. Good girl.
It's like a new,
Hi, baby.
new baby.
Hi, baby.